Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a curved text on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text like so. I'm just going to type in Earth. Well, you can type in anything you want, of course, and I'm just going to use this font. Maybe do this so you guys can see it a little bit better. Or maybe we should add like a glow instead. I feel like that'd be pretty neat. And to add in a curve, just select curve here, and you can adjust the strength here to curve it either like this way or the other way. Just play around with the setting like so. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.